Hello everyone. Today we shall learn question number 2 of exercise 1.2. Let's we read the instruction. Find LCM and HCF and verify relation LCM into HCF is equal to product of number. Yesterday means in last lecture I explained you the product of LCM with its HCF is always equal to product of number. Here numbers are 26 and 91. To find the LCM and HCF, we follow fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is we shall find first factors, prime factor. From prime factors we define HCF and LCM. Here the numbers are very easy. So we find directly factors without solving the method. 213, yeah. Okay, 91 and 713. Yeah. So we could factorize 26 and 91 into their prime factor. Let's we decide first HCF of which number 26 and 91. Which factor decide HCF? Common with least power. Common with least power. Common is 30. Here power 1, here power 1. So HCF of 26 and 91 is 30. Let's we find LCM of 26, 91. Okay. All the factors. No factor should be left. And with maximum power. Here 2 one time, here we don't find 2 anywhere, but we have to write. Okay, then multiply. 7 here, but 7 is not a factor of 26, but we have to write. 13 here 1 time, here 1 time, 1 is the highest power, so we shall write 13. And then we carry out product. 2 7 are 14, 14 into 13, which gives 182. Okay, as you multiply you would get 182. Let's we go into relation. LCM into HCF is equal to 13 into 182, which is equal to 2 3 6 6. Multiply in rough page. Okay, 182 into 30. 0 1 2 2 1 8 8 1 1 1 3 2 6 3 8 24 2 3 1 3 and 2 5 6 6 13. Okay, got it? Now product of number. Here written product of number is equal to the number 26, 91. As you multiply these two numbers, it would be always 2 3 6 6. So here the right side same, then we can write thus LCM into HCF is equal to product of number. Understood? Let's we do next sum. In the second sum, the numbers are 510 and 92. 510 and 92. Here this number is little bigger, so first we factorize by factor tree method, otherwise 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10. Then we divide it by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 5 ja 15. Again 5, 1, okay. And then 92, 2 4 6 ja, then 223 2 sorry 23 1. Okay, so here we got the factor of 510 and 92. 2 into 3 into 5. First we write 510. 2 into 3 into 5 into 70 and 92. 2 into 2 into 23. First we decide HCF. Sorry, here as it is 2 into because no number is repeated, so write as it is. Here we can write 2 raised to 2 into 23. Okay, HCF of 510 92. First you find which is the common factor. Here 2, here 2. So first we write here 23, not 23. Least power 2 only. Now LCM 510 92. Okay. Then all the factor 2 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. Okay, but highest power of 2, here highest power of 2 is 2, here 1, so we would write here and we multiply. As we multiply 4 3 ja, here 2 2 square 4 4 3 ja 12 12 5 ja 60 60 into 17 into 23, you would get 2 3 4 6 0. Okay, I did the rough one. LCM and HCM. Now we shall verify. We shall verify the relation, and for that first we shall write LCM of 510 92 into HCF of 510 and 92. So HCF is 2 and LCM is, first is LCM. So we would write 23,460 into 2. We multiply that. 2 6 are 12, 1, 4 to the 8, 9, 46. Okay. Now product of number. Is equal to, it is definitely 46920. Then we write thus LCM of 510 and 92 into HCF of 510 and 92 is equal to product of number. Did you understand? 2 marks. Okay. Now last sum is given of the same question. Question number 2, last question. 336 and 54. Here number is little lengthy, so first we find factors by factor tree method or simple method. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 4 ja, okay, 2 3 7 54 2 27 3 9 3 3 3 1. So we can write 336 is equal to 2. How many? 1 2 3 4 into 3 into 7, and 54 is equal to 2 into 3 cube. Okay. Now we find LCM and HCM. First HCM of 336 54. What is to be listed in HCF? Common factor. Which are common factor? 2 is here, 2 is here. 3 is in the factor of 336, 3 is the factor of 54. 7 is the factor of 336 but not in the 54. So common factors are 2 and 3. What is the least power? Least power of 2 is 1 and least power of 3 is 1 only. So 6 is the HCF. LCM 336 54. All the factor 2 into 3 into 7. Highest. 2 highest power is 4. 3 highest power is 3. So here 16 into 27 into 7. Okay. You multiply. And the multiplication is 3024. Okay, as we multiply it would be 3024. Now we verify the relation. We verify the relation. First LCM of 336 and 54 into HCF 336 54. Let's we multiply 3024 into 6. Okay, 6 4 ja 24. 2 6 2 ja 12 and 2 14. Here 0. 6 3 ja 18. Okay, so this is the product. Now we take the product of number. Is equal to 336 54. It would be also, thus what can we write? Thus LCM of 336 54 into HCF of 336 54 is equal to product of the number. Product of the number. Okay, did you understand? So here we come to end of all 3 questions of question number 2. Next question in next video. Okay.